Hello, I'm Nick from Quit With Nick. Wanted to do a little video because I guess I should start putting it out there that my book is finally done. Only took 10 years, Living with Heart, When the Heart Leads, Reality Responds. It's a pretty decent book, and I'm just sharing little bits and pieces and snippets of it here. Now, this book combines the power of self-hypnosis, the intelligence of the human heart, and breathing exercises and a technique that taps into the intelligence of the heart. And it also includes a powerful idea in unified physics of the interconnectivity of all things. So it's out there. It's got 27 scripts in the back that you can record. All these back here are self-hypnosis scripts that I encourage people to record and play back to themselves. Or there's a QR code in the back if you want to go to a page on my website and download all 27 MP3s with me guiding you. Now, there are many things covered in this book, as you can imagine, but one of the things that is a crucial element in this book is the intelligence of the heart. The Institute of Heart Math have been around for many years, and I'm a qualified registered heart math coach. That means I'm qualified to deliver one of their programs, and it includes heart-focused breathing exercises. Now, the heart is an extremely powerful organ electromagnetically, 500 times more powerful than the brain electrically, and about 60 times more powerful than the brain magnetically. Creates a electromagnetic field that ripples out beyond the body and can be detected 3 to 6 feet from the body. Heart Math have conducted intuition studies where people have been practicing this exercise, do these breathing exercises. Pretty amazing stuff. The heart's the first organ to get made in your mother, first organ. And the actual breathing exercises that I cover here that are in this book are actually being taught to the US military, first responders, AMBOs, fireys, C-level executives, Olympic athletes, people in very high pressure, high stress situations that need to boost their resilience so they can prepare for, recover from, and adapt in the face of stress, challenge, and adversity. Prepare for, recover from, and adapt in the face of stress. That is resilience right there. So it's all in here. Now, I do have, as of the date of this video, I have a book launch coming up on Sunday, the 28th of June, from 12:30 to 2:30 in Parramatta. Now, if you're watching this after that date, you can still get a copy. I'll include links in this post and this video below. It's only $40. And for the time, energy, effort, and cost, that's pretty reasonable. And the self-hypnosis scripts and what that could mean for you moving forward, pretty invaluable actually. So Nick from Quit With Nick, either see you at the book launch, details below or in this post, or feel free to get a copy online. And an audio book is on its way, not yet as of the date of this video, but maybe when you click on that link, depending on when you do it. Bye.